Oh, hey! Welcome to my crib. Come on in. Always wanted to say that.
Wake up in the morning, but keep dreaming without wording. The day is gone.
All right, so before I take you room by room, I kind of wanted to just tell you guys a little bit about the place. So I have now been in LA for, this is my 3rd year, which is crazy. And the first 2 years I lived with my close friend Kylie, who you guys probably know. I've known her since the 1st grade. The main reason I wanted to move out was we were working from my home. The garage was live tinted HQ, but at a certain point it was like I had to create a divide. So we got a co-working space for live tinted. There's so much that goes into building a company that I feel like I needed new energy. And so I was looking for a new place. And literally, y'all, like I had one requirement and it was windows. I moved from New York City to be in LA for sunshine. That is what sold this place for me. I came, like she strategically had me come at sunset. So all I saw was like the sun coming through and I was like, oh my God, I didn't even look at any of the details. I wish I would have, because there's definitely some things that I would have changed, but it's the perfect size for me. It's 1 bedroom. It forced me to declutter half the things I own. I no longer have my beauty products here. It's in the office. I don't own the place, to be clear, so I can't change everything, but I'm really happy. I got to work with a fabulous designer my friend Iman recommended to me, and she's an incredible woman of color who really hustled and grinded to get, in a very short period of time, all the things that I wanted to change. And I'm gonna take you guys through it, my cute apartment, and yeah, let's do it. Okay, so I'm gonna start by saying the place is not done yet, but I was like, you know what, Deepica, like, it's never gonna be done. I figured I'll show you guys what it looks like right now and kind of explain what I'm thinking of changing and things like that. Let's start here, the dining room. This actual table itself came with the unit, but the person who owns the place, our taste was just a little different, so I asked them to take out the chairs, and I got these chairs put in that are like, I feel like just the right color to neutralize the unit, and I really like that they have wooden legs on them. I just wanted it to look clean and bright and happy. I love this. I have not had a dinner party yet because I'm not really allowed to in current life, but I get so excited about like hosting a little dinner party for me and a few of my girlfriends and lighting these candles and probably ordering food since I don't really cook, and it just got me really excited. Anu, the designer who helped me with this, I told her that I really wanted something to feel like an art piece in this corner, and so what I really like is that this vase feels in itself kind of like an art piece, but then East Olivia, this incredible business by this amazing woman named Kelsea Olivia, she has these beautiful dried flowers, and I really love that this leaf just adds like the exact right color I'm looking for in this corner. And this acrylic situation came with the unit too, and I didn't know what the hell to do with it, but I really think adding this vase and this beautiful leaf kind of made me not hate this acrylic thing, so I was happy with that. And then you can see over here, there's a huge space of like real estate. My mom's always told me that having a Ganesh, like right when you walk into the door, is like really great energy and vibes. Anu got this painting made. The one thing I will say is that even though this is beautiful, I think it belongs more in a home with much bigger space. I'm gonna give this to one of my girlfriends who has a much bigger home, and I think it'll look beautiful there, and I'm gonna get a mirror to go here instead. And then instead over here where you see this mirror, I am going to get a Ganesh. I really wanna get like a sculptured Ganesh made out of stone. I think then right when you walk into the house, you'll see the Ganesh as the first thing, and I'll get the mirror benefit of making the whole room look bigger too. So it was really important to me that I obviously had elements of my family. I got this picture blown up from my sister's wedding of my family, and you can see there's a missing space right here, and that is to be filled with my new nephew. Honestly, this home decor thing is like a very new thing for me, but now that I'm seeing it, I want to create 2 individual frames rather than one together. Not much to see in the kitchen. Okay, no, so basically let me just share, kitchens aren't really like a deciding factor for me because I'm not really in there a lot. It was so funny though, because my girlfriend Ragni, when we came to look at this place, she was like, hold on, this kid, no, you're not gonna be able to, like, it's too dark in there. And I'm like, it don't matter. This situation right here is like a bar that goes up and down with like a blue light. It's not really my vibe. This color right here was like a forest green. So Anu found this like wallpaper that you can put over. My dream scenario, if this was like, if I decided to invest in a place, which I'm so not in the place to do right now, I would get rid of this acrylic thing and I would paint all of the kitchen white and get black wrought iron handle thingies. I don't know what they're called, but you know what I'm talking about. Nothing really exciting in the kitchen like at all. I don't even know if I'm gonna include this because I feel like I'm gonna get judged so hard. To be clear, I did not prep or clean at all for this. This is exactly what my apartment looks like, so no, it's too embarrassing. Y'all gonna make fun of me. I have nothing in there besides sriracha and ketchup and LaCroix. All right, moving on out of the kitchen. I always love being the house that has like, just some like cozy details. These dried flowers are from East Olivia. Again, for somebody like myself who in normal life situation travels a ton, I didn't want to be liable for the livelihood of plants more than I already am because this place actually came with plants. And you guys, in my contract, it says I have to keep them alive. These are the little details I probably should have paid attention to, but again, they sold me on the damn light. And my dad is so sweet. He sent me this Vogue India. It's the first Vogue India that is like a full story on me and Live Tinted. I feel like weird being that person who like has her magazines of her accomplishments on her like coffee table, and then I don't feel weird because I feel really proud of it, you know? Wouldn't it be so embarrassing if I like looked through this and I like wasn't actually in it? Okay, we're good. Isn't that crazy? Actually, this is a picture of our old garage, AKA our old office, which is super cool and a full interview, so like a 2-page spread in Vogue. I love this little basket because, well, this one's a comforter because again, now that I have a 1-bedroom, I have friends stay with me and they like sleep on this white couch, and this couch also came with the unit. So, to make sure it doesn't get dirty, I have this comforter. Coming out here, this is again, one of the things that sold me is the view. So basically, from this unit, you can see downtown, that's the airport over there, and Santa Monica. So on a very clear day, you actually can see the beach. That whole thing is the beach. These are the succulents that I have been adopted into taking care of. We're doing our best. And yeah, so all of my rugs are jute rugs. They're obviously not the most comfortable, but again, for that clean look across the board, we got 3 different jute rugs for the dining room, the living room, and my bedroom in different colors. And again, like this table came with the unit. I was more excited about how to dress up the table with adding details. Again, a beautiful dried up East Olivia flower, which is very calming. 2 of my favorite books, some coasters, and obviously Mama Pandu has to be the thing I see every single day. She just makes me so happy. So now, this is another reason why I really like this unit. It came with this desk. At first I didn't love it, and then I was like, you know what, Deepica, it works. Calm down, you're overthinking it. We built in these shelves. I had my friend Janelle, who's an incredible organizer. She organized everything for me. She's one of those people that you can hire before you move, and she'll help you like Marie Kondo your life. But when we brought everything here, she found a place for everything. And then another cute part of this place is a second balcony. Isn't that cool? I never even thought I'd have 1 balcony. Ugh. This is really where I usually sit. That's really where you can see the ocean, and I usually sit right here, have a glass of wine. And then over here, I feel like she needs a name. Should we name her? I feel like this plant needs a name. Bertha? Like, why is that the first name that came to my mind? Her name is Bertha. She's kind of alive and thriving. Okay, well, over there, she's a little dead. We can just like bring it back down here. She's great. Everything's fine. It's stressful. Being a plant mom is very stressful. Okay, so come over this way. This is like the bathroom for other people to use, and yeah, not much really there. And now to the bedroom, which I also really love. The bed came with the unit. This is where I wanted like the most tinty vibes. I wanted like warmth and oranges and creams and neutrals to come through. I really love this throw with tassels on it. Just a slight feminine touch with like the pink velvet. This unit actually had a silver rod going across, and Anu was like, no, Deepica, it's gonna make the biggest difference. Get like your black ironclad, whatever that thing is called, and I can't figure it out. You're gonna make fun of me. To go across, it will make a difference. And honestly, I really do feel like it's made a difference. I really like this like unit. I think it's from IKEA that has my purses and bags in there, nice and organized. Janelle helped me do all of that. It was incredible. And for the first time, literally in my adult life, I have a walk-in closet. It's not necessarily the most organized right now. All my shoes are organized. Again, I did a big decluttering of my shoes and everything. Like, I really don't want to have things unless I'm like for sure gonna wear them. And yeah, Your girl has a walk-in closet like a real adult. It's pretty cool. I, for the first time also in my life, have a TV in my bedroom, which is nice. Probably my favorite thing from East Olivia I have in the house is this pampas grass dried up and all these beautiful colors. It adds a really beautiful detail to the room. Like right when I walk in, your eyes go to it. This actually is brand new. We just put it up today. I commissioned an artist named Ragni to do this for me. Basically, I told her I wanted something that symbolized unity in the world and people coming together. She created these two hands that are connected, two that are going for the sun and one that's going towards this moon. And it's just symbolic of us going towards good versus evil and that like duality we feel in life. And I really thought that was like a really beautiful meaning. And I really wanted to invest in art pieces to support artists. And I think she did a beautiful job with it. So this is the bathroom. So I have just the skincare that I'm currently using right here. You guys are like, this is the skincare, really? I know, but you have to understand I was going from a volume and option of like a whole garage of all my beauty products to this. But we've color coordinated it and it makes me very happy. Janelle again helped with doing that. That is my home. It is a work in progress, like myself, and it's coming together. I hope you guys like it. What do they say at the end of cribs? You ain't gotta go at home, but you gotta get the hell out of here. Yeah, you do. Skedaddle. I'm just kidding. Thanks for watching, guys, and maybe I'll do it again when the place is like fully done, and I hope you liked it. Yeah. Okay, bye!